What's going on, team? It is Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and I wanted to ask you a question. Do you think that the market is done selling off? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope that I earn your thumbs up throughout this video. Is the stock market done selling off? This is /NQ, and then we have /ES. So this is the S&P 500 future, and then we got the overall NASDAQ future right on over here. And as you guys can see, they're both closing down at about 2% down on the day. One of the things that I also want to show you is on the technical side, we are still trading below the overall SMA line. We're getting a lot of consolidation here right around 7,500, and based off of previous lows at 7,000, ask yourself, the overall direction is still bearish, meaning that it's still selling off. Do you think that with this unemployment rate in the past 2 weeks reaching 6.6 million, and the reason that the market is selling off today over the weekend, that this thing can continue to sell off? I want you to ask yourself 3 little questions. Are things getting better? When it comes down to the unemployment rate, when it comes down to the number of people that are getting infected, are things getting better? Another question to ask yourself is, have we seen the worst of what this virus and the overall market reaction to it? So as we've seen, 6.6 million people filed for unemployment. Yes, we are seeing the market sell off. We're seeing it at a overall price point where it can continue to downtrend since the overall direction is still very bearish, both for /NQ and of course for /ES. So a question to then ask yourself is, have we seen the worst of what the market has to offer? The stock market did a great job when it came down to the first unemployment report at the 3.3 million, if I'm not mistaken, of people who filed for unemployment within 1 year, which was one of the highest since I think 1982. And the market did a great job anticipating that. We actually saw a bullish movement due to the overall market recovery. We saw a nice little push for about 2 to 3 days. It was very short-lived, and then it continues with its overall direction. So now going back to the idea of, are less people getting infected now than ever before? Are we seeing less people die from the coronavirus? And do we still not have a vaccine? The answer is literally no to almost all of them. We just surpassed over 1 million people getting infected. We are now seeing more people die from the coronavirus than ever before, and we still don't have a vaccine. There is a talk of Johnson & Johnson potentially having a vaccine around September. And one of the things that I want you to ask yourself, and this is the final idea, is, so when this extension for the 30-day quarantine ends around April, do you actually expect the market just to begin to magically recover? Or do you think that, again, because the idea of businesses never being able to recover from this, more people going to have to file for unemployment, and again, the overall economy just continues and continues to get worse? More people are getting infected, more people are dying, and we still don't have a vaccine. And even when we do, I think that there's going to be a period of time that it's actually going to take before we actually begin to see signs of a recovery. So one of the things that I just wanted to do within this video is, share with you why I think the market can still continue to sell off. So instead of everyone else, right, on social media encouraging you to put your money right now into the stock market, I want to empower you to take this time to inform yourself. Take this time to build a watch list of stocks that you might want to invest when the market actually begins to show signs of a recovery. You're not missing out on anything. The market's still continuing to sell off. So with that being said, stop feeling so pressured to make a decision right now and enjoy the time off that you have by learning something today that your future self will thank you for. That simple. Take time, inform yourself, and make an informed decision instead of listening to everyone that's so opinionated that knows nothing about what is actually happening with the market and the coronavirus. Because again, at the end of the day, we are here to work towards being self-sufficient, not being told what to do. So let's just do our part as traders and investors to inform ourselves so we develop our own opinions and we take action when it makes sense to us and not when it makes sense to other people. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. If you guys would like to stay connected, we do run the largest Facebook group in the world for those who day trade in the stock market with over 253,000 members. It is absolutely for free, and that's going to be that first link down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.